Hazrat Zayd bin Arqam radiyallahu anhu states, we along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam went on a journey during which the people had to experience extremely straitened circumstances. Abdullah bin Ubay whereupon said to his companions, do not expend on those who are with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam until they split with him. Zuhair says it is according to him who recites Man hawlahu. Ibn Ubay further said, if we return to Medina Munawwara, the one the most honorable will surely expel therefrom the one meanest. After reaching Medina Munawwara, Hazrat Zayd bin Arqam radiyallahu anhu said, I entered the presence of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and notified him of it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon summoned Abdullah bin Ubay and asked him about it. He took a firm oath and said that he had not made any such statement, and said that Zayd had told a lie to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Zayd radiyallahu anhu said, that statement of the people severely hurt me until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed these words which testifies for me. When the hypocrites came to you, the hypocrites, verse 1. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam summoned those hypocrites in order to seek pardon from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for them. But they turned their heads around, waxing proud. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said in the Quran, as though they were wooden beams fixed to a wall. The hypocrites, verse 4. Hazrat Zayd radiyallahu anhu said, apparently they were extremely good looking. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6955.